Ladies and gentlemen, gather round and feast your eyeballs on the automotive unicorn that makes lowriders look like they're still doing their learner's permit. I present to you the custom 1972 Chevrolet C30 Franklin Coach Camper, a slammed, chrome-dipped, sound-blasting motel on wheels that looks like it should come with its own velvet rope and bouncer. Now, let's talk numbers and tech, because this beast isn't all show. Under that long hood lives a Delmo-built 6.0-liter LS V8 with Holley EFI and a custom 2.5-inch Flowmaster exhaust that growls like your Uncle Larry after 3 chili dogs. It's pushing power through a GM 4L70E 4-speed auto with a low-car shifter, all the way to a narrowed Ford 9-inch rear end with 4.10 gears. That's not overkill, it's just enough kill. The entire thing rides on an AccuAir controlled air ride setup with twin compressors and Goodyear bags that can lift it a full 9 inches. Just enough to clear speed bumps if you're lucky. It sits on 22 inches 323 Duallysportz slice wheels wrapped in 305/30 Lionheart tires. And stopping power comes from Wilwood 4-piston fronts and Ford F450 rears. Inside the cab, Chauber's Custom did the black leather and patterned inserts. But I believe the real magic happens in the camper. The interior's got wood paneling salvaged from a warehouse, laser-cut copper and steel trim, and dual fixed tables over the wheel wells. That's where the twin Vire compressors and tanks live, like tiny air-powered gremlins ready to lift you in style. But what I liked the most was the entertainment setup. A 55-inch Samsung TV, 4 Hertz amps, 4 10-inch subwoofers, and 6 sets of 5.5-inch speakers. I turned it on, and somewhere in the distance, a neighbor's car alarm went off. Powering it all is a Honda EU3000 IS generator and inverter setup. Mileage? Just over 600 miles since the rebuild. Total chassis mileage? Somewhere between collector's dream and don't ask, just drive. Price? Not officially listed, but judging by the SEMA pedigree, one-off fabrication, and audio gear that could headline Coachella, you're easily looking north of $130,000, 120,000 euros. Now go slam that subscribe button harder than this C30 suspension.